Hello everyone, let's practice IELTS General Writing module. Here in the General Writing, we have two tasks. Task 1 is about letter writing and task 2 is essay writing. Let's begin with task 1 letter writing. Let's first carefully examine the question. Task 1. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. You have recently started working in a new company. A friend has asked about your job. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, you have to describe the company you work for, explain the kind of work you do, say how you feel about your new job. Write at least 150 words. This is an informal letter which is written to your friend. So you have to follow the structure. Opening paragraph, greet your friends and mention the new job. Body paragraph 1, describe the company. Body paragraph 2, explain the work. Body paragraph 3, share your feelings. And the closing, friendly ending. So let's see a sample answer. Dear Anita, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to tell you about my new job, as you asked me in your last letter. I have recently joined a multinational company called Tech World, which specializes in software development and digital solutions. The company has offices across Asia and Europe, and I am currently working in the Hyderabad branch. My role is in software testing department. I am mainly responsible for checking new applications, identifying technical issues and ensuring that they run smoothly before being launched to clients. It is quite a challenging role, but at the same time, it allows me to learn a lot about the latest technology. So far, I feel really happy about this job. The work environment is friendly and my colleagues are very supportive. Moreover, the company offers good opportunities for growth, so I am optimistic about my future here. I will share more details when we meet next time. Take care and write back soon. Warm regards, Deepika. Next, let's move to the task 2. Let's read the question carefully. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. In many countries, people do not recycle their waste materials such as paper, glass, and cans. What are the reasons for this? What can be done to encourage people to recycle more? This is a direct question type in IELTS writing too. The prompt contains two direct questions that must both be answered fully. First one, what are the reasons for this? You have to include causes and problem analysis. And the next, what can be done to encourage people to recycle more? Here you have to include solutions. Let's see the sample answer. In numerous nations, recycling rates for materials like paper, glass, and cans remain alarmingly low despite environmental imperatives. This essay will examine the underlying causes before proposing practical solutions to foster greater participation. A primary obstacle is the lack of robust infrastructure and convenience. In many urban and rural areas, dedicated recycling bins are scarce or poorly maintained, forcing residents to sort waste amidst overflowingly general bins, a process deemed too time consuming amid hectic lifestyles. For instance, in developing economics like India, inconsistent collection services lead to contamination, discouraging sustained effect as recyclables often end up in landfills away. Additionally, widespread public apathy and insufficient awareness exacerbate the issue. Many view cycling as a minor personal duty rather than a collective necessity, compounded by misconceptions about its efficiency. Survey revealed that 40% of people believe individual actions yield negligible impact on global waste crisis. Economic disincentives further deter participants. Refunds for recyclables are minimal or absent, unlike deposit return schemes in Germany that yield high compliments. Governments must prioritize infrastructure upgrades and incentives, implementing mandatory separate bins in all households, coupled with frequent collections via apps for scheduling minor South Korea model, which boosted rate to 60% within a decade through fines or non-compliments and reward for participation. Education campaigns and corporate responsibility offer complementary levers. School curriculum integrating waste management from primary level alongside vivid media drives highlighting ocean plastic rivers, cultivate lifelong supermarkets could pioneer reverse vending machines offering discount, transforming recycle into an economically appealing routine. In conclusion, inadequate facilities, ignorance, and weak incentives, poor recycling, yet targeted policies and awareness initiatives can reverse this trend efficiently. Proactive measures promise cleaner environment and resource conservation for future generation. Now it's your turn to share your response. Comment below with your answer, and I will provide the band score along with the improvement tips. Thanks for watching and follow us for more videos.